Here we've got VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now click on System. Here you will notice reset options, so just click on it and then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. And if you really want to reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, click on Reset Settings. Now draw your unlock pattern to confirm. Tap on Reset Settings to also confirm the selection of this reset. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.